If you want to know how to send NFT to another wallet from your Tonkeeper, then watch this video to the end. So the first thing you have to do is to click over here where you have this collectibles. That way you'll be clicking on. Alright, you click on that. This is the NFT that I've claimed in the past. But if you've claimed any NFT, any other NFT, they are gonna be showing up right here. They are gonna be displaying right here. Alright, so anyone you choose, you just click on it. Right here, I have only one here. For the sake of this video, I've just claimed only one. So this is the normies that I claimed. So I minted. Alright, so I'll just click on it. You just scroll right down. You scroll right down. This is the NFT. So you just scroll right down. You see where you have this transfer. Where you have this transfer is where you are gonna be sending. Okay, you click on it. Where you have the transfer, that is where you're gonna be clicking. On any NFT, should be transferable. Alright, so here now is where you'll be clicking. You'll be pasting any of the wallet address you want to send these NFTs to. So if you're sending this NFT from one Telegram address to another Telegram address, or from your Tonkeeper to another person, alright, that is using, let's say, Tonkeeper or TON wallet, you are gonna be posting that person's address right here. Alright, so if the NFT requires a comment, then you are gonna be putting that comment right here, just like you are sending your Tonkeeper. Let's say, for example, you are sending your Tonkeeper tokens to another wallet entirely. You know, initially before the current update, if you were supposed to be sending your Tonkeeper to another wallet, you were supposed to be adding a comment section to it. But as regard as for the update that just came in, the TON blockchain updated the Tonkeeper in the sense that there is no more pasting of comment. Alright, that is how the same thing. That's what applies also to your NFTs. There are some NFTs that demand your comment. Alright, you have to just understand that there are some NFTs that demand you inserting this comment, inserting something at the comment section, and there are some NFTs that doesn't demand you insert something at the comment section. So what you have to do is just to go to your wallet that you want to send the NFTs to, and then copy the address of the NFT and put here, or the address of the wallet and put here. Then you click on send. It will be sent automatically. Alright, so now that is what I want you to understand. I just want you to understand here that if you are going to be sending this an NFT, you have to insert the address of the wallet that you are going to be sending that NFTs to. Alright, but if the NFT demands or requires that you insert a comment, then you're going to be adding the comment so that your NFT doesn't get lost. Okay, try and understand that, guys. So now this NFT here doesn't demand, this particular NFT here doesn't demand a comment. So I'm just going to be inserting any address from the wallet that I want to send these NFTs to right here. Okay, I'll just insert that wallet address right here, and after inserting that wallet address that I want to send this NFT to, I'll just click on continue. Alright, and then you click on continue and proceed with the transfer. So that is how easy you can send this NFT. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that I stay updated whenever I drop new videos. See you on the next videos.